Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening DriveZone online and tapping the microphone icon in the lobby. This triggers the first permission request. Grant microphone access so the game can capture your voice, and then pick your input device if you use a headset or built-in mic. Once done, decide between team voice or proximity chat. Team keeps comms private, proximity shares only nearby players. This early choice affects how teammates hear you, and how ambient game noise mixes with your voice during races. Now you fine-tune the audio settings so communication stays clear under race stress. Go to Audio, then Voice, and set microphone volume to avoid clipping. Too loud sounds distorted, too low gets lost. Choose Transmit Mode, open mic for hands-free or push-to-talk if you want control while driving. Make sure noise suppression and echo cancellation are enabled. They reduce engine and road noise and prevent feedback. Once configured, test with a teammate to confirm levels and adjust before competitive matches. Finish by joining a match and performing a quick voice check with a teammate. Press the in-game test or speak briefly while they confirm audio. If they can't hear you, make sure the operating system and headset drivers allow microphone use and that the correct input is selected. Restart the game or toggle between open mic and push-to-talk if problems persist. This often clears temporary audio capture conflicts. If issues remain, record a short log and submit it to support so developers can pinpoint the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.